Well, here we are aboard USS Cod again. I'm Paul Ferrace, director of the USS Cod Submarine Memorial, and we have Dave, our maintenance guy. Hello, Dave. All right, good. He is quite the on-air personality. In any case, what we're doing right here is, Cod is over 80 years old, and things are starting to break. And the things that broke are these little wire snaps that hold the outer insulating jacket around our water distilling plants. And it's right here on the main traffic route as people walk through. In fact, I'm sitting in the pressure-proof compartment door here. Anyway, this one broke off, and that's a danger both to people getting something caught on their clothing, but from a historic standpoint, we could damage these really rare. In fact, I don't think this isn't government stock. So, that could catch and break away, and we've got a problem. So, when we discovered the broken latch, the little wire thing missing here, it had snapped in half. I told Dave, hey, let's rob Peter to save Paul until we can figure out a permanent solution. Well, we went to the other side of the distilling plants and pulled a clip and put it in there, and that broke. And I guess not being a metallurgist, we figured probably something that had been at least 60, 70 years under tension, relieve tension, and then tension it again, and any little micro cracks, they just broke the entire thing again. So we lost one. Did we lose two? Just one?
Just that one.
Just that one. So Dave came up with a brilliant idea. We could maybe insert some things. He got, what is that stuff made out of that you repaired it with?
Steel welding rod.
Steel welding rod. Yeah, and I got to paint it silver. So at least I have my hand. So good or bad, win or lose, let's try to install that. Okay, ready? Go for it. Especially since I think someone's coming up behind me. This is really one of the frustrating things about these ships is stuff breaks after. Well, there you go, Dave.
Look at
High five. Yeah. Look at that. That is, and that will keep it, and hopefully no one will catch that now that it's down against the. All right, so we've got some originals there, and we have at least two. Now, the one that we robbed from Peter, we can repaste that one as well, right?
Yep.
All right, well, let's go and do that, and there you go. Things on the boat, mechanical things have a finite life, as we found, as all of us know in the historic ship community. So, rotary switches on the electrical switch boxes, certainly they can break. We avoid that on Cod simply by leaving the switches all either on or off the way that we want them, and then we power off the entire boat. So there is Dave. He is our maintenance magician. And of course, we'll be. Oh, there you go.
Look at that.
Well, oh man, I swear to God, you are. You know what? I'm going to give you another cookie.
How about a raise?
Yeah, like a cookie. Well, an oatmeal raisin cookie. All right. Well, anyway, I was saying the switch boxes there. These things right here. Yeah, those rotary switches. They can break too, but we want to keep those running as long as possible. Well, anyway, we'll be back with more, and we'll be talking about the purpose of our Badger stills and all that at a future date. But there's a cute little, that was a fun little thing. That was probably, 4 days from spotting the problem to the solution. And again, quick thinking and imaginative thinking, that welding rod seems to have done the trick. All right, well, hey, remember to hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, and we'll be back for more. Thanks.